following message is transmitted at the request of the CDC. An unknown virus has been discovered in their testing labs. Since it has not escaped and has been discovered, all residents must continue your daily routine. If you think the virus has escaped, stay home at all times. Tune in into media updates as they follow. Contagious disease warning. The following message is transmitted at the request of the CDC. The virus in the last alert has escaped from the testing labs. This virus is the following: nausea, bad coughing, blurred vision, and death. This virus is airborne and can move quickly at a high rate of speed. All residents of Dallas are advised to remain indoors at this time. Do not go outside or you will face certain death. 55 fatalities have been reported. Tune in into media updates as they follow.
This is KDFW News, serving the Dallas-Fort Worth area. We just received reports of the virus escaping the building and is now roaming around the Dallas-Fort Worth area. Live from Dallas is my correspondent, Joey. Joey, are you there? I'm in Dallas-Fort Worth. You see, everything is not doing okay at these beams. Everyone's been staying home due to the contagious disease warning has been issued. I don't know how many times, but they'll identify the virus soon. And people, if you're watching this, stay home at all times. We don't want the virus to catch you. Jolie? You okay? Well, I guess she's dead. I believe she may caught the virus. Anyways, stay at home at all times. This is KDFW News, signing off.
Important update. The virus has been identified as the wolf girl virus. Any person who catches this virus will die in a matter of seconds. Remain indoors at this time with all windows and doors locked. Amber Alert. An Amber Alert has been declared. 200 children have been kidnapped from their homes in Austin, Texas. The suspect is a female, unknown weight in pounds, has a yellow left eye, a blue right eye, and some animal parts. She was last seen wearing a gray jacket, a black tie, black boots, and white gloves. She may be driving a blue prison bus with Texas license plate PQR6842. If you see the children, the suspect, or the bus, call 911. Tune in into media updates as they follow. administrative message. All of the 200 children have been found dead in a forest with their heads chopped off or eaten alive. However, the suspect may be driving a silver Audi RS5 with Texas license plate WER8104. The suspect may have the wolf girl virus. If you see the suspect or the car, call 911. Tune in into media updates as they follow. Civil danger warning is now in effect. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Dallas-Fort Worth Police Department. At 12:55 a.m. Central Standard Time, many reports of wolf girls have been seen in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. It is confirmed by the CDC that when a person catches this wolf girl virus, they experience the following: change of eye color, grow ears on their heads, grow tails on their backs, can howl and growl, devour human flesh, can eat any animal, and can take over any land. All residents of Dallas-Fort Worth are advised to evacuate the city now. Shelter in place is not an option as these wolf girls have been seen attacking residents in shelters. Make sure you evacuate by car as travel on foot is not safe. All highways to Dallas have been closed until further notice. There is no time to grab supplies. The Dallas Police Department is trying their best to take down these wolf girls. It is expected that these wolf girls will spread into other states in the next 45 to 50 minutes. Tune in into media updates as they follow.
This is an emergency action notification, requested by the White House. All EAS participants will follow activation procedures in the EAS Operating Handbook for a national-level emergency. The President of the United States or one of his representatives will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by.
We interrupt your programming. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems should transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has ceased its regular programming at the request of the White House to join in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is KBVU. We will continue to serve the Las Vegas area. If you are not in this local area, you should take to stations for your area. We are listening to the emergency alert system serving the Las Vegas area. Do not use the telephone. The telephone lines should be kept open for emergency use. The emergency alert system has been activated. Following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. Repeat, this is not a test. At 1:25 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, there have been reports of wolf girls in all 50 states including Alaska and Hawaii. 5 million wolf girl transformations have been reported. Many children have also turned into wolf girls. In addition, the CDC has found out that the wolf girl virus has no cure. All residents of the United States are advised to seek shelter in a room that has no windows and doors. They are expected to spread into the entire world in the next 1 hour. Use any type of weapon if a wolf girl breaks into your shelter. The president has been moved into a shelter. The military is trying their best to take down these wolf girls, as many wolf girls have been seen turning military into wolf girls. Turn off your brightness as these wolf girls can attack people with light. Tune in into media updates as they follow. We interrupt your programming. This is a global emergency. Important details will follow. Following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Our world is coming to an end. At 2:25 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time, there were reports of wolf girls spreading across the world. It is also confirmed that the wolf girl virus has no cure. 5 billion humans are left on the earth. The military have failed to take down these wolf girls, as the military was also killed by them. All residents of the United States, gather your loved ones and prepare for the end. All of the world leaders, including the president, has been killed and turned into wolf girls. We will sign up for the final time when playing with our national anthem. Please stand by as we conclude the final activation of the emergency alert system. May God be with you all.
Okay.